Ņemot vērā to, ka iekšējā drošība ir iekšlietu ministrijas pārziņā Latvijā, kā nākamo aicināšu Latvijas Republikas iekšlietu ministrijas parlamentāro sekretāru Igoru Rajevu. Lūdzu, sagaidiet.
Jā, cienījamie klātesošie, labrīt! Vajadzēs mazliet skaļumu samazināt. Es, protams, sagatavoju runu latviešu valodā, bet tad es pēkšņi atcerējos, ka tā ir Baltijas drošības konference. Un piedodiet mani lūdzu, es pārslēgšos uz angļu valodu, jo noteikti es gribētu aptvert visu audienci, un es ļoti ceru, ka arī Latvijas iedzīvotāji ir pilnīgi komfortabli jūtās ar angļu valodu un saprot visu, ko es darīšu. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here. My name is Igor Rajev. I'm the parliamentarian secretary in the Ministry of Interior, and this is what my one job. And the second job, I'm working also in the parliament as a member of parliament in Defense, Security and Corruption Prevention Committee. So you can understand I deal with the security issues a lot. This year, I need to say, this year is a blessed year for the security system, security-related organizations and security issues as a whole. Why? Because politically, it is the first time in Latvian history when the security issues were put at the same level as the development of the healthcare and education. And most important, because when we're talking about the security, we're always thinking about the internal security, external security. No, wrong. This year, internal security is actually getting at the same level of importance to the government and to the parliament as the external security. So basically, it's all in your hands how you will use this situation. Ministry of Interior is obviously a selfish organization, and we are very interested in your solutions and your provided products. But we also want to stimulate you work not only inside your own companies, but also to provide the common understanding of the issues and common cooperation between the different countries. For the Latvia, I must say, our border guards, we have a persistent hybrid threat on our eastern border, but we will not be able to deal with this threat alone if we will not work together with the Lithuanians and Estonians, Poles, and also the Finns. Only working together with all the other countries, we can actually prevent threats on our borders and keep our countries secure. Today, with holding this cooperation, Baltic Security Conference, we not only promoting the internal security, we're promoting also external security. As I said, common communication, common cooperation between the different countries is very important. It is also very important that in addition to the kind of usual topics of the security conferences, like physical technical security, cyber security, information security, and the others, we're also getting the new areas such as finance and telecommunication fraud and general crisis management issues. Why general crisis management issues are very close to me? Because we are now working on the establishing a crisis management system in Latvia, centered around the Prime Minister, and I'm the one who is actually working very close with this issue. Well, every speech needs to be short, straight to the point. So I hope today you will share the contacts, get the new contacts, share your experiences, find new forms of cooperation, and possibly would get also solutions to some of the challenges you're facing. And last but not least, I always need to say that one, especially for our guests from the other countries, not from Latvia, don't work too hard today. You have one more important task to do in the evening. Go to the downtown Riga and spend as much money as you can in supporting of our economy, because we do need every euro spent here in Latvia. Good luck with the conference, and visiem tad labu konferenci, labi pavadīt laiku, iegūt jaunus draugus, kontaktus un veiksmi konferencē. Paldies!
Rajeva kungs, jā, vēl nepazodiet, mums ir mazā Pateicība nāk uz skatuvi. Vairs nav nekas jāsaka, tikai jāsmēd un jāspiež roka. Nu, re. Fotomirklis.